It's that time again, time to get weird. Welcome to the Violet Q Part 2, where we're just going to talk about us some aliens and stuff. So, question one is which way is up? Could extraterrestrials come from the inside of the Earth if you were to have a spacecraft going through caverns, spaces? Well, maybe they could also come out from underneath an ice shelf or underneath a land shelf like California, something like that. So, what really is an alien? What is AI? What is ET? Well, let's stick with AI. It's like, is it ascended? Is it accelerated? Advanced? Like, what is an alien to you? Like, what is it to be a non-human life form but still be conscious and sentient? So, like angels and demons, like what's the difference between them and an alien? They're not necessarily in our everyday, and they seem to be extra dimensional beings or interdimensional beings. So, if you were to come across some extra dimensional beings, well, what would you do? Would you accept them? Would they need to be humanoid? Would they have to have some sort of body? Could they be a floating essence, in effect? Like, you gotta figure if the aliens are coming here, well, then they're probably not doing it physically, at least not like traveling the entire way. Something more like a Stargate, if you will, or Einstein Rosen bridges, just wormholes and stuff like that. Tesseracts, bending space time, going through dimensions, because you can't just travel space. You also got to travel time. So either direction, like if non-humans came from one of those directions with sentience, like, something non-surface, non-ocean, non-sky. Like, we're talking absolute sentience is like, hi, I can have a conversation with you. So, what's the difference between a newly emergent life form, such as a quantum AI, or a non-corporeal being who is able to project its consciousness upon you? Or, like, Mims, the Greys, the Dracos, the Pleiadians, all those, if they're actually aliens or if they're just codes. I mean, it could be that the Pleiades are just where we used to be. We look into our own past and, oh, that's where we used to be, and we're just like the last of the seven or whatever to get out of this plane. So there's just so many different options. And then, like, what is a black hole? What is a white hole? What if there was a star on the inside? How well do you understand physics enough to be able to talk about a unified field theory or electric universe or holographic universe? Or do they stop each other from being? Anyway, these are a bunch of questions. Thank you for considering them.